I was on mute. I'm so sorry. I was having a discussion with the center's head, Panigrai sir.
Yes, sir.
So he was saying you can go and have a look at the past students' records for your practicals, so that you can get an idea. Is that okay for you? That sounds
O-
that.
Okay,
Now
ma'am. Okay, ma'am. डायरेक्ट एग्जाम ही होगा ना मैम हमारा.
आगे अभी तो introduce हो to the concepts and to the tests. Then you will go and see the test materials also. Then you have to submit the copies. Write the exam. Writing the exam will come later. You have to submit the practical notebooks also, isn't it? So that will take some time. Then the dates will be informed. We'll go step by step. Is that okay? Does it
Okay,
sound
ma'am.
good? Hmm. You do your part. You be honestly writing the. You will be honestly writing the practicals also. You will conduct the experiments on your friend, then write the results, everything, follow the pattern that other students have followed over the years. Then exam will happen and you will be prepared for the exam and by propose by studying more. Okay, all the related concepts you should know. You have any questions regarding the test that we discussed yesterday? Or we can move on with the next one. Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
I have a problem with my connection actually. This is getting stuck. Give me a second, please. Forget it. We have completed the sociometry scale, right? Or social maturity scale.
Yes.
Social maturity. Vinilans social maturity scale we have completed. The next one is, yes, we are done till Vinland's social maturity scale. Next is family pathology scale. I hope you are able to understand when and how to use this. When actually, at what point of time you would feel the necessity of using a particular test for a particular person or for a particular group of people. So, family pathology scale, when there is a dysfunctional family and they want to know actually how to improve, when they are coming to you as a psychologist, you are handling them, they come to you, so you have to administer this family pathology scale to know to what extent the family pathology is evident and how you can help when you are doing this family pathology scale, that will tell you. Okay, can you give me time? This thing is stuck on my screen. I'll take 1 minute only. 16 PF also we did yesterday, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then comes family pathology scale. Family is actually the first social unit that a child comes across, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, if somebody is asked how normal their family life is, what would be your answer to the question? If somebody is asking you, would you call it a dysfunctional family? And what will indicate that the family is functional or dysfunctional? What
If there
characteristics?
is if there is some disturbance in your family or mental stress, etc.
Yes, but such disturbances happen in all families, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
what will decide actually that a family is dysfunctional?
Ma'am, if the effect
Characteristics of
of disturbances affect the holistic growth of children in a household, we can term it as dysfunctional.
Yes, it is the time factor actually for how many days or for how many months, and they are coming for help, right? Normally, we don't go for help; we sort it out in the within the family. When somebody is coming for help because of their family issues, then it is a dysfunctional family. We can say just by looking at the client. That is the first criteria. Without analyzing so much about the family situation, we'll know that it is a dysfunctional family which has come for help. It could be because of one person. Untreated mental illness can also lead to a dysfunctional family. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And the relationship between the family members, what does it say?
It is also a vital role in the family, the
it
relationship
means
between
the
all members.
relation between father, mother, and other family members they present,
Oh,
how they behave with each other, how they treat with each other. Everything depends.
okay. And what if the relationship looks fine from the outside? How will you know? You go on a visit for people go for home visits. You know that when people come for counseling, in some counseling units, they have this provision also. People go for house visits to find out actually what the person is doing and if they are stable enough. This also happens. So what will
But
they
it
look
is
for?
in, ma'am, but it is in extreme situation, na?
Yes, in extreme situations only they will come for help. After few sessions, they would all agree that we are going to live happily together. Now, for example, there is a abuse case, domestic abuse, or intimate partner violence. So they come to the family court or they will go somewhere where they are advised to go through counseling sessions. After the counseling sessions, they feel normal, they appear normal, and they would agree that we will not go through the legal way. We'll agree on what the counselor is saying, and we are going to give it a second chance. So they go back home. So there is a provision that there will be visits from the family counseling center or um whatever the organization is dealing with. If they are going to some organization, there will be somebody who will be advised to give visits to these families, dysfunctional families. So they will look for hidden there are some hidden abuses also. So they look for that. So they will not give the feedback after coming back from the visit. What they see, what they felt, they will ask few questions, and what they feel they will report. Okay. So don't be surprised at the home visits. People will come and visit, are supposed to go for home visits also. A psychologist is supposed to do the home visit to ensure the safety of the person who is forced into the family again after complaints of abuse. Okay? So
Yes, ma'am.
in India, normally family system functions differently. In other countries, the family functions differently, and in our culture specifically, the socio-cultural fabric of Indian society and the philosophy and the values that we follow is completely different from other countries. And the relationship is also complex. To what intensity and to what extent we'll see when we are dealing with different kinds of families. There are nuclear families which are also dysfunctional. There are joint families which are functional. That could be also possible. So we should not be assuming that nuclear families are good to maintain because you have to adjust only with one person. That is not the case always. Okay. So the emotional tone that governs the relationship between two persons is normally influenced by the emotional relationship of all other members in the family. And in return, children also learn the social skills from their parents and caregivers. That is how the attachment theory was also developed. You remember the attachment theory? Who has given the attachment theory? John Bowlbyର ନାଁ ଶୁଣିଛ ମନେ ଅଛି? John Bowlby has done studies on attachment patterns. Then Mary Ainsworth was also involved in such kind of research. ମନେ ଅଛି ତ social psychology?
मैम चार्टा अटैचमेंट स्टाइल्स जो ସେଇଟା ତ
ସେଟା ଜନ୍ ବୋଲବି ଗୋଟେ କରିଥିଲେ. The experiment was also very interesting. They left the child in the presence of a stranger. Then the mother was hidden. So what the child feels when the stranger is there around a stranger, if the secured attachment is there with the parent, then they will not be disturbed so much. Accordingly, the attachment styles will develop. Secured attachment, anxiety related issues will be happening when the child is not able to trust the mother's coming back. So these are the, just I'm telling you because these are all related concepts. You might be asked such questions in your Viva. Just a thought, okay? Research has also been conducted that for peer acceptance, social competence, and academic performance of the child, it is important that they should have a balanced emotional connection with the parents and caregivers. They should be interacting. The skills that they are learning from the family should be well adaptive in nature so that they will not have any problem in future. Okay. So the family pathology test or the family pathology scale, this is a scale constructed by Vimala Veeraraghavan and Archana Dogra in the year 2000. The family pathology scale indicates to what extent maladaptive behavior is present among the family members. And they find it out in their interaction with each other. Whether it is between the spouses or between the parents and children or other members of the family. If they are in a joint family also, they will include all the other members in the family in understanding the family situation and the family pathology to what extent it is dysfunctional. In this test, a total of 100 items are prepared in the form of statements. And the rating will be on a 3-point scale, where 1 will be indicating low or no family pathology. They will respond to it as never. Do family members fight? The answer can be never. If they are saying 1, 2 will indicate average family pathology, and 3 will indicate high family pathology. Since it is a 3-point scale, these 3 options will be there to choose from. 1, 2, 3 they can mention against each question. Okay. So when they are saying 3, that indicates high family pathology. Most often they will respond like that, since they have come for help, and this is a highly pathological relationship they are sharing with each other. The probability of giving an answer like 3 is very high. The scale will is consisting of 100 items, that is distributed to 25 clinical psychologists and 25 psychiatrists. The judges were asked how the test was developed. This is how the scale was developed. Then the judges were asked to indicate to what extent each item was indicative of family pathology. Again, on that same 3-point scale, highly indicative, somewhat indicative, and not at all. Then internal consistency was used as a method. This is how the test was developed. Then there were 42 items in the scale to be administered to a group of 300 married couples from the normal population. This is how they developed the scale. Then you go back to the lab and do all these tests also. They will be self-explanatory. Once I show you the sample questions, you will get an idea. Tomorrow I will be showing you all the samples. If possible, I will give you the link. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
In YouTube also you can try to find out how they are administering the test. I will try to show a few examples also, how they look like, how many items, what kind of questions will be there. Starting with your Vatia test, we'll see. Otherwise also you can go to the center, and normally this is, this will make more sense when you go through a notebook which has already written all the questions, all the experiments. Okay. Then comes sociometry.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
ଗୋଟେ ଡାଉଟ୍ ଥିଲା।
Poor.
ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ କହିଲେ ଯଦି ଜଣେ ହେଲ୍ପ ପାଇଁ ସାମ୍ନାକୁ ଆସେ ଗୋଟେ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲିର ଲୋକ, ଦେନ୍ वी कैन ଜଜ୍ କି ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ଡିସଫଙ୍କସନାଲ ଥାଇପାରେ ମୋଷ୍ଟ
We
ପ୍ରୋବାବଲି।
cannot judge. We don't judge. That is why we are counselors.
या मतलब वी कैन एटलीस्ट सस्पेक्ट कि देयर
Yes.
माइट बी।
Will be able to know that this is not a normal thing. They are coming for discussion only. There is some issue which is bothering you. Normally what happens? For example, तमरो किसी physical disease ପାଇଁ କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ଜ୍ୱର କି ଥଣ୍ଡା ହେଲା, very simple ଜ୍ୱର ଥଣ୍ଡା ହେଲା, do you run to the doctor all the time or you take medicines? Parents ଦେଲେ ଖାଇ ଦଉଛ କି ନିଜେ ଜାଣିଛ ଯଦି ଖାଇ ଦଉଛ?
राइट मैम।
You do that, right? So when do you go to the doctor? When it is out of control, ଜ୍ୱର
Correct.
କମିଲାନି ବଢିଲା, ସେଠୁ ଦୌଡ଼ିଲ ଡକ୍ଟର ପାଖକୁ। The same thing happens when you are suffering from any mental health condition or family pathology. You can say dysfunctional family, or it is too stressful for you to handle. So you are going for help.
हाँ मैम, ଯୋଉମାନେ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କୁ ତ ଆମେ ସସ୍ପେକ୍ଟ କରିପାରିବା କି ବ୍ୟାକଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡଟା ସେମିତି ଥିବ ବୋଲି, ବଟ୍ ଅଲସୋ ଡିସଫଙ୍କସନାଲ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲିଜରେ ଏମିତି ବି ପସିବିଲିଟି ଥିବ ଯେ ଯାଉ ନଥିବେ ବିକଜ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ସ୍ଟିଗ୍ମା ଆଣ୍ଡ ଲ୍ୟାକ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଆୱେରନେସ୍।
Yes, that is very possible. I'll give you the examples in family counseling centers. Actually, it is pura mane jo you all are familiar with the Odia dhoga? No, no, ଜାଣିନା। जो
କଣ ମ୍ୟାମ୍?
Yes, ma'am.
ନେଡି ଗୁଡ
କୋହୁଣୀକୁ ବୋହିଯିବା।
ବୋହି
କହୁଣୀକି
ଗଲାଣି।
ବୋହିଯିବ, ହଁ।
Yes. So ସେଇ condition ହେଲେ ଯାଇକି ଆସନ୍ତି, ମାରପିଟ ହେଇକି ଅବସ୍ଥା ଖରାପ
Extreme
ହେଇଯାଇଛି।
situation.
Yes. So the wife will be having marks on her face, କୋଠି ମୁଣ୍ଡକୁ ବାଡେଇଛି, କୋଠି ଖଣ୍ଡିଆ ହେଇଛି, ଜଣେ କି
ମ୍ୟାମ୍
କାଲା
ସେମିତି
ହେଇକି।
ଗୋଟେ ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ସେମିତି ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ ବାଲେଶ୍ୱରରେ ହେଇଥିଲା, ମାନେ ହଜବେଣ୍ଡ ୱାଇଫଙ୍କର ଡିଭୋର୍ସ ହବା ଉପରେ। ତ ତାଙ୍କର ଦିଟା ପୁଅ ଝିଅ, ସେମାନେ ମାନେ ଏଜୁକେଟେଡ୍ ବି, ଆଉ ସେମାନେ ବଡ଼ ବି, ମାନେ 26 27 ତାଙ୍କ ଝିଅକୁ ହେଇଥିଲା। ତାଙ୍କ ପୁଅ ବି ବହୁତ ବଡ଼ ମେଡିକାଲ ପଢୁଥିଲା। ତାଙ୍କର ଏମିତି ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ଇସ୍ୟୁ ଯେ ସେ ମାନେ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଥିଲା ତାଙ୍କର ଡିଭୋର୍ସ ହେବା ପାଇଁ କି ଅଳ୍ପ ଦିନ, କିନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କ ହଜବେଣ୍ଡ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ରହନ୍ତିନି, ମାନେ ସେ ଝିଅର ବାପା ଯେ, ସେ ତାଙ୍କ ମା କଣ କରନ୍ତି, ଯୋଉ ହିଟର ନୁହେଁ ରାତିରେ ତାଙ୍କ ଝିଅ ଶୋଇଥିବ, ସେ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଗୋଟେ ସାଇକୋଲୋଜି ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ ଥିଲା ତାଙ୍କ ଝିଅ, ଯେ ମୋ ସହିତ ପଢୁଥିଲେ ସେତେବେଳେ। ତ ତାଙ୍କ ମାଙ୍କ କଥା ସିଏ କଣ କଲେ ନା, ଆମର ଯିଏ ଥିଲେ ଏଚଓଡି ଦୀପ୍ତେନ୍ଦୁ ପାଣିଗ୍ରାହୀ, ତାଙ୍କ ସହିତ ସିଏ ତାଙ୍କ ଝିଅ ଡିସ୍କସ୍ କରୁଥିଲେ, ମୁଁ ଶୁଣିଥିଲି। ସେ କଥା ହଉଥିଲେ କି ତାଙ୍କ ମା ରାତିରେ ଏମିତି ଶୋଇଥିବେ, ମାନେ ସବୁ 2 ଜଣ ମା ଝିଅ ଶୋଇଥିବେ, ସେ ଗୋଟେ ପାର୍ଲର ବି ଚଲାନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ମା। ତ ସେ ଗଲାବେଳକୁ କଣ କରିବେ ନା, ଯୋଉ ହିଟର ନୁହେଁ କି, ତାଙ୍କ ଝିଅ ଗଲାବେଳକୁ ହିଟରଟାକୁ ଲଗେଇକି ନା ମୁଣ୍ଡଟାକୁ ଦେଇକି ରଖିଥିବେ। ସେ ଝିଅ
କାହିଁକି?
ଦିଥର ଦେଖିକି ଲାଷ୍ଟକୁ, ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ସେମିତିକା ଗୋଟେ ମାନେ ମେଣ୍ଟାଲ ଡିଜିଜ ତାଙ୍କର ଥିଲା ଆଉ। ଏ ଯୋଉ
ମାନେ
ତାଙ୍କ ହଜବେଣ୍ଡ ଯୋଉ
ସୁଇସାଇଡାଲ
କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି,
ଟେଣ୍ଡେନ୍ସି
ନାଇଁ ସୁଇସାଇଡାଲ
with the
ଟେଣ୍ଡେନ୍ସି
intention
ନୁହେଁ,
of
ସେଟା ଗୋଟେ ମାନେ ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରିମ
okay
ସିଚୁଏସନ ଏମିତି ହୁଏ ଯେ ସେ ଏମିତି ନିଜକୁ ଭିତରେ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲ ରଖିପାରନ୍ତିନି ଯେ ସେ କଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ବୁଝିଲେ।
yes
ସେ ଚାହୁଁନଥିଲେ ସୁଇସାଇଡ କରିବା ପାଇଁ କି, ବୁଝିପାରୁଛନ୍ତି ତ, କିନ୍ତୁ
ହଁ
ସିଏ
ହଁ ହଁ
ଏମିତି ସିଚୁଏସନ କଣ ତାଙ୍କ ମାଇଣ୍ଡରେ କ୍ରିଏଟ ହୁଏ, ବେସିକାଲି ସେଟା ରାତିରେ ହୁଏ ତାଙ୍କର। ଯେ ସେ ତାଙ୍କ
ଆଚ୍ଛା
ଝିଅ ଶୋଇଥିବ ଯେତେବେଳେ, ସିଏ ତାଙ୍କ ଝିଅ ଖୋଜିଲା ବେଳୁ ରାତିରେ ସେ ଯାଇକି ହିଟରଟା ଲଗେଇକି ତାଙ୍କ ମୁଣ୍ଡଟାକୁ ସେଇଠି ପୁରା ଦେଇଥିବେ। ଏ ଦିଥର ତାଙ୍କୁ ରେସ୍କ୍ୟୁ କରି ଆଣିକି ସାରିଲା ପରେ ସେ ସାରଙ୍କ ସହିତ ବାଧ୍ୟ ହୋଇ ଡିସ୍କସ୍ କରୁଥିଲା। ଆମ ଏଚଓଡି ଥିଲେ ଦୀପ୍ତେନ୍ଦୁ ପାଣିଗ୍ରାହୀ, ସେ ସାରଙ୍କ ସହିତ,
ହଁ ହଁ
ବୁଝିଲେ।
ଆଚ୍ଛା
ମୁଁ ସେଇଟା ଶୁଣିଛି ସେ ସିଚୁଏସନ।
ଏମିତି ତ ମୁଁ ଏମିତି ସିଲଭିଆ ପ୍ଲାଥ ନା ଶୁଣିଛ ଇଂଲିଶ ଇଏ ପୋଏଟ।
ୟେସ୍ ୟେସ୍ ମ୍ୟାମ୍।
ସିଏ ମୁଣ୍ଡ ବିନ୍ଧେଇକି ମରିଗଲା ନା, ସୁସାଇଡ କରିଦେଲା।
ହଁ ହଁ ହଁ, ତାଙ୍କର ବି ଟ୍ରାଜିକ୍ ବ୍ୟାକଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ।
ହଁ ସିଲଭିଆ ପ୍ଲାଥର ବି ସେଇଆ। ଆଉ ଏମିତି ଆମର ତ ମାନେ ସୁଇସାଇଡାଲ ଟେଣ୍ଡେନ୍ସି ନଥାଇକି ବି ନନ୍ ସୁଇସାଇଡାଲ ସେଲ୍ଫ ଇଞ୍ଜୁରିୟସ୍ ବିହେଭିୟର ପ୍ରାୟ ନର୍ମାଲି ଦେଖାଯାଏ ୟଙ୍ଗଷ୍ଟର୍ସ ମାନଙ୍କର। ଦେଖିଛ?
ମୁଣ୍ଡ ବଟାନ୍ତି ମାନେ
ୟେସ୍ ମ୍ୟାମ୍, ଆଗେ
ଥରେ
ନିଜକୁ ହର୍ଟ କରିବା, ମାନେ ଯୋଉ ବ୍ଲେଡରେ କାଟିବା ହାତ ଗୋଡ,
ହଁ ବ୍ଲେଡରେ
ଏସବୁ।
ଦେଖିବ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ସବୁ ରିଷ୍ଟରେ ବ୍ଲେଡରେ କଟା ଦାଗ ଥିବ। So they feel so much pressure. This is because of the hormonal changes that the body is handling. This is the first time they are going through so many testing things also. Like
मैडम
go exactly. Huh?
can't control over themselves.
Yes,
मैडम
they
मेरा
don't do it consciously.
मेरा मम्मी चला गया था जब मैं 17 इयर्स की थी। तो उस टाइम
हाँ
मुझे
हाँ
भी ऐसा लगता था जैसे ब्लेड से हाथ काट लूं, गुस्सा हो जाए तो सर
हाँ
फोड़
हाँ
दूं, सामान जो है कि बहुत जोर
हाँ
जोर फेंक दूं बाहर। स्पेशली जो टूटेगा, जैसे कांच का सामान हो, मुझे पता है कि ये बड़ा नुकसान हो जाएगा, मोबाइल, इस
हाँ
टाइप का
हाँ
टेंडेंसी मतलब मेरे अंदर भी बहुत ग्रो किया था। उसके
हम्म,
बाद मुझे तबीयत भी बहुत खराब होता था मेरा। तो मेरा
अच्छा
पापा सीएमसी वेलोर लेके गए थे मुझे। तो
अच्छा
वहां डॉक्टर सारा टेस्ट करने के बाद मुझे कुछ भी दवाई नहीं दिया। मतलब
हाँ
उस
हाँ
टाइम मुझे बहुत टॉन्सिल का प्रॉब्लम होता था, एलर्जी, सर्दी, जुकाम, बुखार, मतलब
हम्म,
हर टाइम होता था।
हाँ हाँ हाँ
तो एमडी मुझे काउंसलर के पास पास भेजा था। तो मैं
ओके
7 दिन वहां काउंसलिंग किया था। उसके बाद से जो वो आज भी गया है, कल भी गया है, उसके बाद से कभी नहीं ऐसा हुआ,
very good.
फील भी
It's
नहीं
so
होता है
nice
ऐसा।
that you are openly discussing your issues. Yes, this happens because of mental
यस
issues.
मैडम, मेरे साथ हुआ था क्योंकि मेरा मम्मी अचानक सेरिब्रल स्ट्रोक में डेथ हो गया था उनका। तो
अच्छा
कुछ समझने से पहले ही वो रात, मतलब रातों रात में चले गए थे, तो वो एक्सेप्ट नहीं हुआ था उस टाइम।
सही बात. Very nice that you are nicely explaining everything and you have come out of the trauma maybe. है ना?
हम्म
मैम
Very
सबसे पैथेटिक तो वो होता है ना जिसमें डिसफंक्शनल फैमिलीज में बच्चे होते हैं एंड दे डोंट नो वेयर टू गो एंड हाउ टू सीक हेल्प एंड
we were doing a study actually in Cambridge School. Cambridge School में we were giving counseling free of cost for we continued for 2 years actually. So
ଏସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ବହୁତ କରୋନା ଟାଇମରେ ପ୍ରାୟ ଏସବୁ ଜିନିଷ
हाँ,
ଛୋଟ ପିଲାଙ୍କ ଉପରେ ବହୁତ ଇଫେକ୍ଟ କରୁଛି।
नहीं
ଯାହା
मेरे
ବି
भी
ହଉ।
this we were doing
और
in the
मैडम सबसे बड़ी बात ये है कि ये जब आपका हो रहा है तो जो आपका रिलेटिव है, क्लोज वन है, वो
हाँ
समझने नहीं चाहता है कि आपको साइकोलॉजिकली कोई इशू हो रहा है। वो ये
हाँ
सोचते हैं आप जिद्दी हो, आप बदमाश हो, आप मतलब आपको नेगेटिवली इंटरप्रेट किया जाता है और भी ज्यादा, जिस
Very
वजह से वो और बढ़ जाता है।
Very true. Yes. That is the main problem because it's such a taboo that किसी को अगर कुछ पता चले कि ये साइकोलॉजिस्ट या साइकेट्रिस्ट के पास जा रहे हैं, उस पे ठप्पा लग जाता है फिर कि ये पागल है।
हाँ हाँ, इट्स मतलब बहुत
हाँ
ही
मैडम,
ज्यादा।
मेरा खुद का
मैम
मामी उस टाइम
साइकोलॉजिस्ट
मेरे साथ वेलोर गया
काउंसलिंग
हुआ
They
था।
don't
करते हैं ना,
understand
उनका
that
पता नहीं है लोगों को।
ना इनको फर्क पता नहीं, इनको मालूम नहीं क्या काम है उनका। सो यू ऑल
ना,
हैव टू।
मेरा खुद का मामी मेरे साथ उस टाइम जो वेलोर गया हुआ था, उनका भी कुछ हेल्थ इशू था, वो खुद बोल रहे थे कि तुम पागल हो गए हो क्या, तुम्हें पागल के डॉक्टर के पास भेजे हैं। ऐसे
यस,
सबके अंदर थॉट प्रोसेस है।
ये है, दिस इज अ सोशल टैबू एक्चुअली। वो तो मैं लिख लिख के थक गई। ये एक है
मैम साइकोलॉजिस्ट और साइकियाट्रिस्ट के बीच में डिफरेंस जो है तो वो पता नहीं है लोगों को,
वो
वो
भी नहीं
सोचते सब
मालूम।
पागल थे।
बहुत सारे पढ़े लिखे लोग होते हैं, उनको भी नहीं मालूम। लीव अलोन द
और
इलिटरेट।
they don't
मैं
understand
सबसे
what
ज्यादा
the problem is
अमेज
actually.
मैं सबसे ज्यादा अमेज इसलिए हुई हूँ मैडम, उसके
हाँ,
बाद से मेरा ऑल इशू, हेल्थ इशू, कोई भी हेल्थ इशू नहीं होता था। ना मुझे टॉन्सिल होता था, ना बुखार होता था, ना कुछ होता था। और ये जादू जैसा मुझे लगता था कि 7 दिन जाके किसी के साथ बात किए और मेरा
हाँ,
सारा
हाँ।
इशू सॉर्ट आउट हो गया। ये
ये
जादू लगता था मैम।
मैजिक हो गया लगता था नहीं।
ऐसा
हाँ
होता
हाँ
है
हाँ
कि
हाँ हाँ।
जब मेंटली कोई डाउन होता है तो अदर बॉडी पार्ट्स का भी बहुत प्रॉब्लम निकलता है उसी टाइम पे।
फिजिकल एंड मेंटल
तो
हेल्थ आर वेरी
It also
क्लोजली।
affect
हाँ
physical
वही,
physical health also.
Yes,
it
they are
totally affects
closely.
to our total body actually.
Yes, because what happens, the idea behind this is actually when you are mentally ill, if you are not doing anything to it, बॉडी सिग्नल देता है, रात को नींद नहीं आता है, गुस्सा होता है, फेंकने को मन करता है, ये सब इंडिकेशंस है, ये रेड फ्लैग्स है। इसको अगर केयर नहीं ले रहे हैं तो इट स्टार्ट्स मैनिफेस्टिंग एज फिजिकल सिम्टम्स because the body is crying for help and through some way they will try to attract your attention. All this is done in such a unconscious manner. I mean, the person is not consciously doing this. वो अपने आप ही बॉडी ऐसे रिएक्ट करता है टू स्ट्रेस इन द बॉडी, इसीलिए स्किन डिजीज हो गया, जुकाम हो गया।
सबकॉन्शियसली
Yes.
वो रिप्रोग्रामिंग हो जाता है ना, तो
ये नहीं कि
हाँ।
कोई बंदा बहुत ही बदमाश है इसीलिए जानबूझ के ऐसे कर रहा है, बिल्कुल नहीं। जैसे सोसाइटी सोचती है, इसीलिए।
मैं वो सोचता है कि नेगेटिव एनर्जी, सब नेगेटिव एनर्जी एंटर हर
हाँ,
बॉडी।
यस। फिर जादू टोना ये सब करने लगते हैं, बहुत
काला जादू, मैजिक,
yes, they
ब्लैक
think
मैजिक।
they think all that will
ना
help.
वो ताबीज पहन लो, इसके पास जाके पूजा करवा लो, ये
Yes.
सब।
Yes, and the family dysfunction, when we are saying, since we are discussing the extreme cases, I'll tell you this extreme case also. If you tell me if this is family pathology or not. एक केस आया, इसमें फैमिली काउंसलिंग सेंटर है एक, लीगल सेल करके, उसका मैं मेंबर हूँ। तो उसमें सब कमिटी मीटिंग में पुलिस का ऑफिसर भी एक आता है, एक पुलिस का, एक लॉयर का होना जरूरी है उनका सब कमिटी मीटिंग में, जो डिफिकल्ट केसेस हैं। तो उसमें ये एक वेजिटेबल सेलर की वाइफ आई थी, उनका डेट आया था उस दिन, तो उनको प्रोड्यूस करना था। तो वो खुले आम बोल रही है कि मुझे दोनों के दोनों भाई हस्बैंड जैसे चाहिए, एंड शी वाज नॉट अलाउइंग द यंगर ब्रदर टू मैरी। देवर को शादी नहीं कराना बिकॉज शी वांटेड द देवर टू बी हर हस्बैंड एंड द हस्बैंड टू बी आल्सो देयर एज हर हस्बैंड। So how dysfunctional this case can be when there is no solution without referring to the legalities involved in it, right? So family dysfunction तो बहुत सारा हो सकता है, मतलब जो सोचे नहीं होंगे वैसा भी हो सकता है, ये तो सोचा नहीं होगा किसी ने, लेकिन है।
मैम ऑल्सो डिसफंक्शनल फैमिलीज में पावर डायनेमिक मेंटेन करने के लिए वो रिप्रेस भी करते हैं, सही होने से रोकते हैं, एंड डिसफंक्शन को भी प्रमोट करते हैं आई थिंक।
यस यस, ये जैसे अल्कोहलिज्म हो गया, ये अल्कोहलिज्म का केस था। तो ये पी के आके रोज पीटता था अपनी वाइफ को। जब इंटरवेंशन किया गया, वाइफ उल्टा खुद आके सबको डांटी, आप लोग हमारे घर में आग लगाते हो, हमारा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, वो पीते हैं तो अपने पैसे का पीता है, आप लोगों का क्या जाता है करके।
मतलब
और
नॉर्मलाइज
कई बार
कर देते हैं
मैडम,
डिसफंक्शन को।
सॉरी,
और कई बार मैडम लेडीज ना ज्यादा जैसे वुमेन या गर्ल कोई ज्यादा बोलते हैं तो फैमिली में कई बार सरप्राइज किया जाता है कि नहीं तुम्हें चुप रहना है, नहीं इतना बोलना है, तुम ज्यादा बोलते हो, ये सब भी हो जाता है कई बार।
ये तो और भी बच्चों को जो ट्यूशन भेजते हैं, बॉयज विल ओनली गो फॉर ट्यूशन, लड़की जो है घर का काम करती है, अच्छा खाना वो रख देते हैं, वो फ्रिज से वो नहीं खाना, वो तो वो खेल के आएगा, बेटा खाएगा। ये तो अभी तक है।
ये सब मतलब बहुत जगह पे दिखाई देता
जेंडर
है
जेंडर
ये एक
इशू इज द
स्टीरियोटाइप
ग्रेट
मेंटालिटी
प्रॉब्लम।
रह गया है अभी भी।
ये अभी तक है, इतना साल का पुराना इशू मैं देखती थी, अभी तक देखो वो फिर भी किसी किसी फैमिलीज में है।
अब थोड़ा कम हुआ है, थोड़ा कम हुआ है, 10 साल में थोड़ा कम हुआ है ये चीज।
हाँ पहले से बहुत ज्यादा कम हुआ है अभी
अब
मतलब
मौके पर है, क्योंकि गांव में अभी तक बच्चा अगर लड़का है तो उनको ज्यादा भाव देते हैं, है अभी तक
हाँ
लड़के।
मैम,
मैम
वो जैसा भी हो,
इंटरनलाइज्ड
उसका
मिसोजिनी भी
बिहेवियर
बोल सकते हैं
जैसा
ना
भी हो,
इसको।
लेकिन उसको ही पहले देखते हैं।
हाँ
ना एक बात मैंने देखा मैडम, मेरा जो काउंसलिंग हुआ तो
हाँ हाँ
मेरा इमेज, मेरा जो घर वाले हैं मतलब पापा हो गए, बाकी दीदी हो गए, वो लोग नहीं, जो रिलेटिव्स है, नहीं किसी को बोलना नहीं है, लोग सोचेंगे तुम पागल हो, नहीं नहीं किसी को ये बोलना नहीं, किसी के साथ ये डिस्कस नहीं करना, ऐसे
हाँ
करके भी बोलते थे बहुत टाइम।
हाँ, क्योंकि सोशल टैबू था ना, कोई कुछ बोल दे उनके बच्चों को, इसीलिए बोलते थे। क्या करें, क्योंकि दे हैव टू बी आंसरेबल टू अदर मेंबर्स, क्योंकि ये उनके हाथ पैर भी बंधे होते हैं। इसीलिए एक मास अवेयरनेस होना चाहिए जिसमें उनको ये पता चले कि ये सब डिजीज नॉर्मल है, जैसे ठंड में बुखार आया, खांसी खांसी जुकाम हो गया, वैसे ही ये भी नॉर्मल जैसे ट्रीट करना चाहिए, है ना।
मैम अभी भी इंडिया में साइकोलॉजी जितना मतलब मेंटल वाला ट्रीटमेंट जितना होना चाहिए अभी तक तो नहीं हुआ है।
नहीं
बहुत
हुआ
पीछे है, अभी भी साइकोलॉजी बहुत पीछे है।
ये तो डॉक्टर का काम अलग है और साइकोलॉजिस्ट का काम अलग है, वो नहीं मालूम होता है। साइकेट्रिस्ट सिर्फ मेडिसिन देते हैं, लेकिन टू डायग्नोज, जैसे ये सब है हमारा टेस्टिंग जो हम पढ़ रहे हैं, समटाइम्स दिस टेस्ट विल आल्सो प्ले गिव अ वैलिड एक्सप्लेनेशन फॉर द कंडीशन एंड दैट विल हेल्प इन द डायग्नोसिस। ये कौन हेल्प लेता है डायग्नोस्टिक पर्पस के लिए साइकोलॉजिकल टेस्टिंग का? जैसे आप
मैम साइकोलॉजिस्ट अभी हुआ जे मुझे साइकोलॉजिस्ट पाखକୁ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ବୋଲି ସେମାନେ ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି କି ଆମ ସାଇକିଆଟ୍ରିଷ୍ଟ ପାଖକୁ ପଠଉଛନ୍ତି।
ना, psychologists are different and psychiatrists are different. Psychiatrist
साइकेट्रिस्ट दे
ଏଇଟାର
आर हैविंग
ନଲେଜ ନାହିଁ ନା,
एमबीबीएस डिग्री
ଏଇଟାର
बट
ନଲେଜ ନାହିଁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଓଡିଶାରେ ବି।
ना ना
ଏବେ aware ହେଲେଣି, ମୋ student ମାନେ ତ practice କରୁଛନ୍ତି, they are attached with the clinics and they are also doing a good job. ଏବେ ଏମ୍ସ ରେ ବି ଗୋଟେ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଅଛି ଫର ସାଇकोलॉजिस्ट, ସ୍କୁଲ ଗୁଡାକରେ ଗୋଟେ ସାଇकोलॉजिस्ट ର ପୋଷ୍ଟ।
ମ୍ୟାମ ଏମ୍ସ ରେ କିଏ ଅଛନ୍ତି କି ସାଇकोलॉजिस्ट?
ହଁ ହଁ, ଏମ୍ସ ରେ ଅଛି, ଗୋଟେ ସାନ ଝିଅଟା ଥିଲା, ଗୋଟେ
मैम
ମ୍ୟାମ
ମୁଁ
ମତେ ଟିକେ
एक्चुअली
ନାଟା କହିପାରିବେ କି?
ତାର ନା, ମତେ ଫୋନ
ହଁ
ଦେଖିବାକୁ ଗୋଟେ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ, ଗୋଟେ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ। ଏତେ ଏତେ ବୁଢା ହେଲୁଣି ଆମେ ମାନେ ସବୁ ପଢେଇ ପଢେଇ, ସେ ତାଙ୍କର ତା ନା, ଗୋଟେ
ମ୍ୟାମ ମୁଁ
ସେକେଣ୍ଡ।
ଏଥିପାଇଁ ମାଗୁଛି, ମୁଁ କାମ କରୁଛି IIRS ରିହାବିଲିଟେସନ ସେଣ୍ଟରରେ, ଏଠି ପିଲାଙ୍କୁ ସାଇकोलॉजिस्ट ନିଡେଡ ଅଛି, ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମାଗୁଛି।
ଗୋଟେ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ, ସେ ତ ଅଛି, ସାୟଲି ମିଶ୍ରା ଥିଲା ଆଗ,
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସାୟଲି ମିଶ୍ରା ତା ନା, ଡକ୍ଟର
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସାୟଲି ମିଶ୍ରା। ସେ ନିମାଂଶୁ କରିଛି, ସେ ଏମ୍ସ ରେ ଅଛି। ସେମିତି କିମ୍ସ ରେ ବି ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି, କିଏ ତା ନା ମନେ ପଡୁନି, ସେ ବି ଅଛି। ସେମାନେ ସବୁ ଏଇ ବାଣୀ ବିହାରର ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ ସବୁ। ଇଏ ଖାଲି ନିମାଂଶୁ କରିକି
ଏଥିପାଇଁ ମ୍ୟାମ କହୁଛି, ଯୋଉଠିକି
ଆସି।
ପିଲାଙ୍କୁ ବିହେଭିୟରାଲ ଇସ୍ୟୁର ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଅଛି ସେଠି
ହଁ
ସାଇକିଆଟ୍ରିଷ୍ଟ ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କ ମେଡିସିନ ଦେଇକି ପଠେଇ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି। ରେଗୁଲାର ତ ମେଡିସିନ ପେସେଣ୍ଟ ଖାଇ ପାରୁନି,
ହଁ
ତାପରେ ଏଠୁ ସେ ଯେହେତୁ ଏଠି ଆମର ରିହାବିଲିଟେସନ ସେଣ୍ଟରରେ ସ୍ପିଚ ର ଆଉ ଅଡିଓ ର ଥେରାପି ଚାଲିଛି, ତ ସେ
ହଁ,
ଆମକୁ ଏଠି ବିହେଭିୟରାଲ ଇସ୍ୟୁଜ ଦେଖଉଛି,
ଆଚ୍ଛା। ନା,
ଯେମିତି
ସେମାନେ
ହରମୋନାଲ।
ସାଇକାଟ୍ରିଷ୍ଟ ମାନେ ବହୁତ କୋଅପରେଟିଭ ହେଲେଣି। ଆମ ଟାଇମରେ, ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ଟକିଂ अबाउट 25 years back, the psychiatrist never used to refer to a psychologist. ଏବେ କିନ୍ତୁ ସାଇକାଟ୍ରିଷ୍ଟ ମାନେ ନିଜେ ପଠଉଛନ୍ତି ସାଇकोलॉजिस्ट ପାଖକୁ, because they are so full with the number of clients they are getting every day, they don't want to handle everything, so family କୁ ପଠେଇ
ବଟ୍
ଦଉଛନ୍ତି।
मैम
to
मु जो
understand.
प्रैक्टिकल इश्यूटा कहूची सेटा होचे
Uh-huh.
साइकियाट्रिस्ट और साइकोलॉजिस्ट भितर डिफरेंस आमे जदि तांको पचारबी तमे कोडी जाइछ मतलब साइकियाट्रिस्ट पाखु जाइछिल
अच्छा.
साइकोलॉजिस्ट पाखु जाइछलो ना आमे तो सेही डॉक्टर पाखु जाइछलो सीए तो
हाँ.
हमको मेडिसिन देथिला मैं देखा को दउछु बट 2-3 मास का मेडिसिन कंटिन्यू कले तापरे
हाँ.
पुणी मेडिसिन बंद कर देला पुणी बिहेवियरल इश्यूज आसिला बट
हाँ.
पुणी से मेडिसिन में ही चलीछि बट साइकोलॉजिस्ट पाखु जाइकी काउंसलिंग सेक्शन थेरेपी सेक्शन केही भी हो नांती ମୋ ପାଖକୁ ଯେତିକି
Actually,
ପେସେଣ୍ଟ
ma'am,
ଏଠିକି
therapy session
ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି
ଟା better କାମ କରେ ମୋ ହିସାବରେ
ଖାଲି
ମେଡିସିନ ସେସନ ଠୁ।
ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି
The best
ଏଠି
way
ଖାଲି
is a combination therapy actually. Medicine ଖାଇଲା ବେଳକୁ ବି ଯଦି ତାର session ଚାଲିଛି, slowly medicine can be discontinued and they will continue with therapy for some more period so that they
Yes,
will be
ma'am.
able to adjust.
ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ମୋର ବ୍ୟାଚଲର୍ସ କରୁଥିଲି ଓଲ୍ଟପୁରରୁ ସେଇଠୁ ମାନେ ଆମର ଗୋଟେ କୋର୍ସ ଥିଲା ସାଇକୋଲୋଜି କି ଆମେ
Uh-huh.
ପେସେଣ୍ଟକୁ କେମିତି ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡେଲ କରିବୁ କି ଡିଲ୍ କରିବୁ ସେ ଟାଇମରେ
ଆଚ୍ଛା.
ମାନେ ଆମେ
Mhm.
ଓଲ୍ଟପୁରରେ ମାନେ ମୋର ବ୍ରାଞ୍ଚ ଥିଲା କି ଯୋଉ ଆର୍ଟିଫିସିଆଲ ଲିମ୍ବର ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ତ
ଆଚ୍ଛା.
ସେମାନେ ଓବିୟସଲି ବହୁତ ଜଣ ଡିନାଏ କରନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା
ନିର୍ତାରରୁ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା ମ୍ୟାମ୍
Okay.
ତ ସେମାନେ ମୋଷ୍ଟଲି ସେମାନେ ଡିନାଏ କରନ୍ତି ଯୋଉ ଇଏ କରିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ କୌଣସି ବି ରିହାବିଲିଟେସନ ବାଲା
ହଁ.
ଯୋଉ ଗୋଡ ଲାଗିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଯାହାବି ବହୁତ
ହଁ.
ମେଣ୍ଟାଲି ସେମାନେ ବହୁତ ଫ୍ରିକଲ ଥାନ୍ତି କାରଣ ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ହେଲା କି ଯାହାବି ତ
Mhm.
ସେ ଟାଇମରେ ଆମକୁ ତାଙ୍କର ହିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ନେଲା ପରେ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆମକୁ ହୋଲ ତାଙ୍କ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲିକୁ ଇଭେନ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ବି ବହୁତ ବୁଝାଇବା ପାଇଁ ପଡେ ନହେଲେ ସେମାନେ ବହୁତ ଡାଉନ ହେଇଯାଆନ୍ତି ଏଇ ସବୁ କେସେସରେ ତ ମୋ ହିସାବରେ ମେଡିସିନ କାମ କରିବ ନାହିଁ ତ
ନା.
ସାଇକୋଲୋଜି ହିଁ କାମ କରେ ଆମକୁ ସେତେବେଳେ ଟିକେ ଟିକେ ପଢା ହେଇଥିଲା ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ବାକି ଏବେ ମୁଁ ପୁରା ଜାଣୁଛି ସେତେବେଳେ ତ
ହୁଁ.
ଆମେ ଏତେ କିଛି ଜାଣିନଥିଲୁ ଜଷ୍ଟ
କୋଉ
ଓଭରଭ୍ୟୁ
କୋଉ
ଥିଲା
କେସରେ ଯେମିତି ପୁରା ସାଇକୋଲୋଜିକାଲ ହେଲ୍ପ ଦରକାର କେତେ କେତେ କେସରେ କମ୍ବିନେସନ ଥେରାପି ଦରକାର କେତେ କେସରେ ଇଫ୍ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ ଡ୍ୟୁ ଟୁ ସୋସିଆଲ ସିଚୁଏସନ୍ସ ଦେନ୍ a change in the social situation and counseling will help ଜଣେ ଯଦି ଫେରେ ଭଲ ହେଲା ପରେ ବି ସେମ୍ ସିଚୁଏସନକୁ ଦେ ଗୋଇଂ ବ୍ୟାକ୍ ଯୋଉଠି ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ଡିସଫଙ୍କସନାଲ ଅଛି ଆମେ ଲୋକଟାକୁ ଡାକିକି ତାକୁ ମେଡିସିନ ଦେଇକି ଠିକ କରେଇଲେ ବି again there will be triggers in the same social situation when they go back again it will happen କାହିଁକିନା ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଲାଇଜ୍ ସମୱେୟାର ଏଲ୍ସ ପାଥୋଲୋଜିକାଲ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ଷ୍ଟାଇଲ ଯୋଉଟା ଆମେ କହୁଛେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସେଇଥିରେ ସେମାନେ ଯାଇକି ତ ଆଡଜଷ୍ଟ କରିପାରିବେନି ତାକୁ ମେଡିସିନ ଦେଇ ଦେଇ କେତେ ଦିନ ରଖିବେ ସୋ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ହି କ୍ୟାନ୍ କିପ୍ କ୍ୱାଇଟ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ନଟ୍ ରିଆକ୍ଟ ନୁହେଁ କି ଆଉ କିଏ ଟ୍ରିଗର କରିଦଉ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କେସରେ ତ ବାପାର ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଅନଡିଟେକ୍ଟେଡ ସାଇକୋଲୋଜିକାଲ ଡିଜିଜ କେବେଠୁ ଅଛି ସିଏ ଅଖାଡୁଆ ବୋଲି ସମସ୍ତେ ଜାଣନ୍ତି କିନ୍ତୁ କେହି ଡେୟାର କରନ୍ତିନି ସୋ ଝିଅକୁ ନେଇକି ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆସିଲା ସିଏ ଝିଅକୁ ସବୁ ଯାକ ସିଏ ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟ କଲା ଝିଅ ସବୁ ଯାକ ଏଇ ବଦମାସି କରୁଛି ବୋଲି then it was found out that father was actually a schizophrenic since long I mean ତାର କଲେଜ ଡେଜ୍ ରୁ ସିଏ ତାକୁ ସବୁ ଅଖାଡୁଆ ଅଖାଡୁଆ ଡାକୁଥିଲେ କେହି ସାଙ୍ଗ ନଥିଲେ ତାର କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା ହେଉନଥିଲେ देन टिपिकल ଯେମିତି शादी करने से ये ठीक हो जाते हैं करके शादी भी करा लिए देन इनको जब बच्ची हुई देन द फादर स्टार्टेड projecting all his insecurities all the odd behavior was shown to the girl so then she was after few sessions she opened up actually she opened up and said that पापा तो काली देवी से बात करते हैं वो छम छम नाच के आज के आके नाच करती है पापा ऐसे बोलते हैं then all the hallucinations that he was having were discussed openly with the psychiatrist actually he didn't know that he has problems he was not in a right frame of mind to accept also then he took the medicine and he is fine now girl is also doing architecture course
ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ସୋମାଟିକ୍ ଏକ୍ସରସାଇଜେସ୍ ଗୁଡାକ ସାଇକୋଲୋଜିରେ ଯିବ କି ନା ସେଟା ଅଲଗା
ସବୁ ପ୍ରକାର ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଆମର ଏକ୍ଲେକ୍ଟିକ୍ ଥେରାପି ଗୋଟେ ଆମେ କହୁଛେ so only one solution will not help if you are combining the help and the support system is very strong through somatic therapy को or तुमरो natural therapy जोटरे तुमरो change of ସେଇଟା ବି କାମ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷର equal importance ଅଛି so a combination of all these therapies will help only instead of one ଯଦି ଏତେ ଗୁଡା ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦଉଛେ ତାହେଲେ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି will also change ଯଦି ଦି ଜଣଙ୍କର ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଅଛି and one person is showing all the symptoms then if you send them both on natural therapy and they will go and stay somewhere and go through the ayurvedic treatments and do things together ତାଙ୍କର ସବୁ ଯଦି family dysfunction देखुचन से माने husband wife भितरे पड़ुनी, they give them task actually to do it together. माड़ी बुलेवा ପାଇଁ और games सब arrange करी थांती couples ପାଇଁ, so that brings them together. So एगुड़ा सबु तांकर possible हबो only when they go to the psychologist, and psychiatric medicine will also help if the person is getting suicidal or extreme reactions achi, that can be controlled.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bujila? Okay. So sociometry, the next scale we are going to discuss is sociometry. You have learnt about social interaction in your social psychology.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is sociometry? Metry means measure and socio means social. So it is a term that has come from the Latin word socius and metrum. Okay. So the words therefore mean that sociometry is a way of measuring the degree of relatedness among people. When you are trying to measure the degree of relatedness or affiliation, that will only help in evaluating the degree to which you are cohesive with the group, among the members of the group, or you are working with teams, or if you are working in an organization, it will help you to bring about positive changes, and the required interventions that is needed, they will give you when there is some problem you are facing in relating to the group behavior. Okay. So it is a very powerful tool in lessening the communication gap. In an organization, if you are working and you are not able to communicate properly, so this sociometry will also help in decreasing the communication gap the person is having and reduce the conflict by helping the group to analyze, examine, and evaluate their own dynamics. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So sociometry also helps in finding out the relevant areas or groups that requires therapy or training. Through sociometry, we can find out actually which group is having problem and do they need any kind of training in an organization. For example, if they have a problem with communication, so there are some games. Normally they are arranging games and activities for the organization members also, so that they can gel together very easily and work becomes fun. सेटा भी देखिछ परिवार पिला माने जो माने यंगस्टर सब अछते दे गो टू अ रिसोर्ट बैंगलोर केते गुडा कंपनी एटा को सब अडॉप्ट करछंती even if they have a local branch here, I don't know if they are doing it, but these companies gote achi Kargil, my cousin is working in that, so they arrange their chutti ka din is spent on research. So the families will be invited, they go with their families and have fun activities, and then again they go back to work on a Monday. So it is a measure which helps in evaluating how individuals associate with each other while acting as a group towards a specific goal. So the goal here, if we are talking about an organization, the goal is to perform the task or the work given to them within a limited period of time. So if the individuals or the workers or the employees have no connection with each other, or they have communication gap, then there will be difficulty in reaching the goal. So this sociometry will help in finding out the problem areas and how to help them. Okay. There is a person called Moreno, a psychologist called Moreno. He has defined sociometry as the mathematical study of psychological properties of populations, the experimental technique of and the results obtained by the application of quantitative methods. This was the definition given by Moreno for sociometry. Okay, so sociometry can be used as a scale. This sociometry we are talking about, there is a scale called sociometry with the help of which choices are there to form interpersonal relationships of people. I don't know if there is a. You have the book by your side so that you can see.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sociometry, it is a technique of measurement in which at least a group consisting of 5 to 6 members are asked to select or choose members of the same group based on a specific criteria. For example, the group will be asked one person. For example, there is a table shown here also. You can refer to that. This is a very nice way of explaining they have done here. देखा जाऊची? So there will be 6 questions. For example, the questions can be a person. There are 6 people, for example, A, B, C, D, E, F. So each member will be given their questions and the choices they will do for themselves. For example, whose advice would you like to take regarding serious matters of your life? So the person would give his choice, his or her choice. Then the data that will be collected will be displayed as a table or matrix of each person's choices. So A will be choosing B or C for a particular question. So they will be writing that in the table. तुम्हारे एटी जन देची ना देखो चा सोशियोमेट्रिक चार्ट फॉर द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is how you can create a table and go by the table what it has to be. Wait a second. एटा गोटे मैं आनी सोशियोमेट्री स्केल रो एग्जांपल पाई. Let me show you that. Like yesterday, I'll share the link with you so that you can go through that after your class, maybe, or after we finish this. तार लिंक रखी मु सेटा केम चलिबो मु जानि नि एटी स्क्रीन शेयर करि हबो. लेट मी चेक.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, kari
हाँ
habo,
हाँ
ma'am.
हाँ करिए मैम.
करि हबो ना ट्राई करते सेकंड.
Again, again, ma'am.
My Chrome is not responding. No. I'm so sorry. My computer has some problem. If I'm clicking on something, then it takes so long to open the page. Anyway, you refer to your book only. I'll share the link. Don't worry. ସେଟା ଆମେ ଖୋଲୁନି Google Chrome ର କିଛି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଅଛି କହୁଛି. Okay. For example, do you all have the book by your side?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you go through that table that is given? The example here. You can ask me any questions that you find difficult to understand.
मैम टेबुल टाକୁ ହିଁ ଟିକେ ବୁଝେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ मैम।
ये जो टेबल फर्स्ट देखो
आगे।
ए को क्वेश्चंस पचरा हैला फॉर एग्जांपल देयर आर 6 पीपल ओके A B C D E F because we are doing the test in an organization keeping a group in mind नहीं कि ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଭାବିବନି ଯେ ଏଥିରେ କାଇଁ ଏତେ ଗୁଡ଼ା ଲୋକ ଅଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି
Madam, what is the page number?
पेज नंबर इज 20 देख लो there is a sociometric star. So the person whose name is selected by maximum members of the group. प्राय सबू मेंबर जदि ताकू चूज करूचंती ताले ताकू स्टार कहउचंती sociometric star. Whether the person is the real manager of that group of that company or not of that section, but if somebody is chosen as the star, then everybody will be unanimously agreeing to the criteria set by other people also that he is the best person in the, for example, I'm saying. So irrespective of the organizational position, the sociometry star is for the specific person whose name is selected by maximum members. The mutuals, where two people will be choosing each other. A will choose B, B will choose A. So that will be called mutuals. 20 page dekhi lo. Are you going through that?
Yes मैम।
Okay. Sociometric star, then mutuals, then comes chains or cliques. There is also a term isolates. This is the person who has not been chosen by anyone within that group. He will be called an isolate. And with the help of the choices or the preferences that people are giving, it will be depicted on a map-like structure. And that will be called sociogram. सेटा भी एठी तमरो देइछि sociogram रो फोटो टी.
Yes मैम। Sociogram for question number 1।
Yes. And you have been advised to go to the center and go through old practical notebooks to get an idea also why all the questions that you have in mind can be clarified by looking at the notebooks, practical notebooks. Does that make sense and will help you think? कहीं ना ऑनलाइन होची ऑफलाइन हेतिले हमें सब प्रैक्टिकल जिंस काढ़ी के देखि थांती करि थांती. Tomorrow I will try to show you maximum number of examples.
Okay मैम।
I'll try to save the links so that we can discuss. Did you see the sociogram?
Yes।
Okay.
Ma'am, actually the diagram is not quite understandable.
Sociogram ta?
Yes, ma'am.
The question number 1 is, for example, these are the questions given. Who do you trust amongst the members of your group? Okay. For that question, whatever answers the other members of the group have given, that is depicted here. এই টেবল গুড়া সব এই কনসেপ্ট গুড়া we discussed about sociometric star mutuals. So for the mutuals, this is a table. देखिए ना? Similarly, for sociogram, they have given a picture. You have to prepare and work out the sociometric, sociogram, sociometric star, mutuals. एवढा सब तुमको करिवार अछि by giving the questions to the person, then सेगुडा एठी पकेइबो. एथिरे A B C D सब लिखा है they are persons. बुझिएला?
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Yes, ma'am.
A, B, C, D, E, F. 6 people are there in the group. So, for example, you are preparing a sociogram for these 6 people. इधर dotted line भी अच्छी, clear line भी अच्छी. Okay.
କେତେ କମ କି ଅଧିକା
हाँ.
କ୍ଲିୟର ଲାଇନ
Arrow mark जो तेरे अच्छी पूरा सीधा without any gap or dotted line, that will indicate high trust they have. So A has high trust on B. B has high trust on C, and also B टा C पर्यंत जाइछि तो ना नहीं ना B जाइनी. C trusts B.
ଯାଇଛି ସିଟ୍ ବି କୁ ବହୁତ ଟ୍ରଷ୍ଟ କରୁଛି କିନ୍ତୁ
High trust
B
होछि सीधा जोटा arrow mark अछि, जो dotted arrow अछि सेटा moderate level of trust, and only a arrow less than sign or more than sign जदि सेमति किछि पाउचो सेटा होछि distrust or there is conflict. Accordingly से ए स्टार ए सब जोडा बना हिछि. बुझिएला?
Yes.
हाँ से सब एमती क्रिस क्रॉस हे जाइछि काहे ना एते जण लोकंकर रेस्पोंस गुलो से माने एठी लिखिचंती तो एमती ही देखा जिवो तमे भी तमरो बनेइले. एमती ग्रेटर देन साइन तो कोठी करि नांती माने सो मे भी कहि सेटा कहि नांती. Okay. And the arrow with this sign will indicate conflict. There is no conflict. All the members have high trust for person B. High trust रे कोन होची ई सीधा line गुडा आसुची without the dotted line. So there is a straight arrow coming to B from all sides. दिखा होची?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is high trust without any breaks when it is given. Okay. So this is a sociogram depicting only the question number 1 that is given here. Question number 1 re kon thila? Who do you trust? Whom do you trust the most among the members in your group? For that question, there is only one sociogram. Simply तुमे केतेटा 6टा question अछि 6टा question पय तमे सेमती sociogram बनै परिबो. बुझिएला?
डबल साइड एरो ही बेल मैम आउथर टिके एक्सप्लेन करिए कि कैन यू प्लीज एक्सप्लेन वन सेकंड मैम.
It is कोट बुझि पारलनी sociogram टा ना आउ पूरा मूलरू
नहीं सोसियोग्राम क्वेश्चन
sociogram टा sociometry रे तुमरो केतेटा concept ऊपर काम करिबा को अछि. तुमरो अछि there is a sociometric star. So who is the star? B is the star. काहे समस्त चूज करछन कि B को. Okay.
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
So there will be mutuals also where two people will choose each other. सेटा कोडी देखो छि कि करै छि कि two people are choosing each other. So सेटा तांकर हबो mutuals. Same thing sociogram isolates भी अछि who is not chosen by anyone within the group. Isolate की अच्छी देखि पाए थे से फिगर टा को देखो
मैडम एटी एम स्टैंड्स फॉर द जो मॉडरेट ट्रस्ट
कोटा कोटा
ये जो एम स्टैंड्स फॉर जो टेबल है जोटा सोशियोमेट्रिक
हाँ टेबल रे छ ना सोशियोग्राम को जाइछो नेक्स्ट पेज रे सोशियोग्राम टा अछि देखो
22 पेज नंबर
22 पेज नंबर राइट
मैडम एट द सेम टाइम डबल एरो हो परिबो की
डबल ए नहीं तो डबल ए नहीं
डबल एरो आई मीन बी टू सी ट्रस्ट पुनी सी टू बी ट्रस्ट
सेटा म्यूचुअल्स पर जदि जणे बी ट्रस्ट करूची ए को ए भी ट्रस्ट करूची बी को ताहले सेटा म्यूचुअल से माने एटी छोटा कांसेप्ट देछि देखो वन इज सोशियोमेट्रिक स्टार सेकंड इज म्यूचुअल्स थर्ड इज चेन्स और क्लिक्स फोर इज आइसोलेट्स फाइव इज सोशियोग्राम सिक्स इज सोशियोमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स so we are talking about sociogram which will also point out who is a mutual who is a so isolate से थ्रू देखले जानि परिबा हमें कि चूज करनी जदी से आइसोलेट हला एथरे के कहा को चूज करनी की सेमती अच्छी किछि सबुथिरे आरो जाईची सो केही एमती
ना मैम बी और सी भितर तो नहीं
बी टू सी मैम
बी और सी
डी एंड सी
अच्छी पर
ना मैम कॉन्फ्लिक्ट
सी
चलछि
रो
तब
अछि बी पाई बाकी बी रो किंतु सी पाई नहीं
बी रो सी पे नहीं बी रु जाईची गुटे मार्क हां ना सी पे असली दे आर नॉट
बी टू सी
A and B are mutuals, right?
यस
A गोटे हाँ A and B. ये सबू जाको ए थ्री गोटे इटा just for one question only sociogram बनेची. Again, if you are looking at the second question or third question, who would you think will transmit messages accurately within your group? जदि पचारला से question टा ए जदि ना नेला ई रो हाँ सो से थ्री केमतिया लाइन जीवो हाई ट्रस्ट सो स्ट्रेट एरो लाइन गोटे जीवो बुझी होची who was asking that question if you give me a green signal
ऑथोरिटी के कहबे
एटा जो हमें सोशियोग्राम रो पिक्चर टा देछि ना एठी just go to that picture first we'll approach it this way सोशियोग्राम टा देखिलो
यस मैम
we have only ma'am the sociogram question number 1 only there the diagram
only
is only for
this is only
one.
for question number 1
yeah yes ma'am
सो छटा क्वेश्चन अच्छी सो तुमको जदि दरकार पड़िला छटा सोशियोग्राम करबा को पड़िबो डिपेंडिंग ऑन देयर आंसर्स
okay
बुझियला
मैम
हां श्योर
Ma'am, I have a question.
यस प्लीज आस्क
मैम ये जो सोशियोमेट्रिक स्टार्स रहते हैं एक पर्टिकुलर ग्रुप में
हां
और मैम तो ये लोगों के एट्रीब्यूट्स जो है हमेशा ही कंटिन्यूअस फॉर्म में रहते हैं या ये लोग चेंज होते रहते हैं ग्रुप
हैव यू स्टडीड अबाउट द ओबी रे पढ़िছো एटा ओबी में पढ़ा है क्या इनफॉर्मल लीडर्स फॉर्मल लीडर्स एंड इनफॉर्मल लीडर्स पढ़ा है
नहीं मैम
because of the position that they enjoy in a company or in an organization, they will be formal leaders if they are enjoying the power that is given to them by the organization. ठीक है? They are formal leaders, but they will be also informal leaders जिनका आता है नजर में काम का करने का तरीका when there is a crisis. For example, formal leaders बैठ के अपना पोजीशन को यूज करके वो काम बताएंगे आप ये करो आप वो करो पर एक क्राइसिस आ गया सडनली अर्थक्वेक हो गया जाके देखना है भाग के सबको सब ठीक है कि नहीं इधर जो फॉर्मल लीडर बना है उसको खुद को अर्थक्वेक से डर लगता है सो वो अकेले भाग गया फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम सेइंग अकेले भाग गया ये दूसरा बंदा जो है he is a very sociable person and caring person so वो भाग के जाके सबको केबिन से निकालेगा चलो चलो बाहर चलते हैं सब so ये informal leader हो गया even if he is not declared as a leader or a manager of the group he will be an informal leader for the group है ना
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
ठीक है. So that way you are also like वो जो question आपने पूछा that will explain. ये चीज नहीं होते हैं, ये पता चलता है जब there is a crisis where the real character comes out. They are not prepared for it. Off guard उनको पकड़ते हैं जब है ना.
ओ ट्रू ट्रू, एक परसेप्शन बना रहता है लीडर्स का हमारे अंदर यूजुअली, तब हम किसी लीडर को एज अ लीडर परसीव करते हैं स्टार्टिंग से, एंड देन जब क्राइसिस आता है तब हमको पता चलता है कि अच्छा कौन काम का बंदा है एंड कौन नहीं.
Exactly. Clear?
यस.
है ना. ये लोग इनफॉर्मल लीडर होते हैं जो ये चीज नहीं होते हैं, उनका आदत से मतलब अंदरूनी जो उनका स्पेसिफिक नेचर है ऐसा. Their core characteristic is like,
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
समझे. कोर कैरेक्टर्स जो हम बताते हैं ना, कोर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स पर्सनालिटी में एक होता है पेरिफेरल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, एक कोर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होता है भी. तो उनका कोर नेचर जो है वही है टू हेल्प अदर्स. ठीक है.
यस.
Okay. And now we'll go back to the sociogram again. जब तक ये क्लियर नहीं होता. Who was the person who was asking questions about sociogram?
Myself, ma'am. Ajay.
Ajay. Ajay, clear?
Ajay Raut, yeah.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am. I have to practice it. Another 6 question, no? As per the question number 1, I have to do on my own. Then only I
You
think
do
I
it
will
on your own
practice.
also. Yes. Once you do it, you will be very clear.
Yeah.
So that
yes,
is why
ma'am.
don't worry
I'll do
about the exams also. You just do these
Yes.
experiments honestly so that you can understand them, how it works. So that you can write the experiments in exam also.
Yes, ma'am.
So here
Yes.
we are clearing the concepts and understanding.
Yeah.
Then you can
Yes,
do
ma'am.
anything. Okay?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Correct.
Okay. Okay. Clear about sociogram?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So sociometry is a scale with the help of choices. Actually, you are targeting the interpersonal relationships of people. इसमें क्या करते हैं? We are trying to understand the interpersonal relationship of people by asking these questions and then trying to depict them in a tabular form or on a zigzag line form like the sociogram you saw right now. Isn't it? And there is a group number also minimum. At least the group should be consisting of 5 to 6 numbers of members. And they are actually asked to select a member of the group based on a specific criteria. जैसे बोले हम किसको ज़्यादा ट्रस्ट करते हो, from which the choices will appear. Then accordingly you are going to draw the lines, the map will be drawn, then the networks will be called a sociogram, or for each question a sociogram will be there. Okay, clear? We can move to the next.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sociometry clear है समझ नंबर तो?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tomorrow is the last class, so we can discuss all of the tests today or maybe one more day, but we can go through the questions again and I will give you time and you can prepare the sociogram on your own. Let's take for example, we'll address the question number 4. परीक्षा देखिबा जने समझते करो. Is that okay? So that you will see how the sociogram looks like if you are doing it. Should we try that? Offline class. Had it been an offline class also, you had to do this. So let us consider that this is an offline class and just try to do that. Assume that there are 5 people sitting next to you and you answer for them. Just try to do one. Take the question number 4. Who would you like to work with? This is an easy question. Then form the sociogram and show. You make yourself A, then imagine your friends' names. B is Pratyush, 3 is somebody, 4 is somebody. So the names will be written. You don't say A, B, C, D, you can write the names also. Since you know your friends, you will also know their preferences. And then see how easy it appears. Are you all doing it? I
Yes,
hope
ma'am.
you all are doing it. I'm just assuming everybody is doing a sociogram.
Yes.
Okay.
Question 4, na ma'am?
Question 4.
Yeah.
Who would you like to work with? When you're done with, let me know.
ମାନେ ଏଇଟା ଏମିତି ତ ମାନେ ଏ ହଉଛି ମୁଁ ଆଉ ମୋ ପାଖେ ମୋର 4ଟା ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡସ୍ ଅଛନ୍ତି। ତ ମୁଁ ବି ସହିତ ବହୁତ କମ୍ଫର୍ଟେବଲ ଅଛି କିଛି ବି କାମ କରିବା ପାଇଁ। ତ ରାଇଟ୍ ଏରୋ ଦେଲି ତ ସି ମାନେ ସି ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ପର୍ସନ ଯିଏ ଅଛି ତା ସହିତ ମୁଁ ଏତେ କମ୍ଫର୍ଟେବଲ ନୁହଁ। ତ ମୁଁ ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ଏରୋ ଦେବି।
Right.
ଆଉ ଯାହା ସହିତ ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ମାନେ ମଡରେଟଲି କମ୍ଫର୍ଟେବଲ ଅଛି ତ ମୁଁ ଯୋଉ ପୁରା ଡାର୍କ ବାଲା ମାନେ ଯୋଉ ଥିଲା ଏରୋ ଟିକେ ଛାଡିକି ସେମିତିଆ ତମେ।
ଡଟେଡ୍ ଆରୋ ଥିଲା।
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ସେଟା। ଆଉ ଯଦି
ମ୍ୟାଡାମ ଯୋଉ ଡଟ୍ ଯୋଉ ଆରୋ ଅଛି ସେଟା ହଉଛି
not very
Distrust.
comfortable with, ଯୋଉଟାକୁ ବେଶୀ ଟ୍ରଷ୍ଟ କରୁନ କି ବେଶୀ କନଫ୍ଲିକ୍ଟ ନାହିଁ କିନ୍ତୁ
Right.
ବେଶୀ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡଲି ବି ନାହିଁ ସେଇଟା। ଆଉ କନଫ୍ଲିକ୍ଟ ଥିଲେ ଖାଲି ସେଟା ଯୋଉଟା ଏଥିରେ ନାହିଁ କିଛି, ତମର ଯଦି ଅଛି ତମେ ବନେଇ ପାରିବ। ଏଇଟାକୁ
ନା
କାହିଁକି
ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ଅଛି
ହଁ
ଡଟ୍ ହେଇକି ଅଛି ଲାଷ୍ଟ କୁ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ ଅଛି ସେଟା।
କନଫ୍ଲିକ୍ଟଟା ଯୋଉଟା ଖାଲି ଜଷ୍ଟ ଗ୍ରେଟର ଦେନ୍ ମାର୍କ, ଗୋଟେ ଅର୍ ଆରୋର ଖାଲି ମୁଣ୍ଡଟା ଅଛି।
ୟେସ୍।
ମ୍ୟାଡାମ ସିଙ୍ଗଲ ଡଟ୍ ଟା ପରେ ହଉଛି କନଫ୍ଲିକ୍ଟ।
सिंगल डॉट डबल डॉट बोली किछि नै तो गोटे तीनटा टाइप रो अछि
गोटे पूरा सिंपल गारो अछि आ गोटे
पूरा
माइनस
normal
माइनस
gap
भले
ଅଛି,
अछि आ गोटे डॉट डॉट ହେଇକି ଅଛି
dot dot
तीनटा
ଅଛି,
ଅଛି
ହଁ, ହଁ।
जोटा स्ट्रेट लाइन जाउछि सेटा एकदम
हाई
पानी
ट्रस्ट
गळे नि जो से सांग
मैडम 21 पेज ए स्टैंड ए आउ ए भितर जो अछि डॉट 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 गारटा अछि सेटा होछि
21 ने पेज 22
डायरेक्ट एरो ଅଛି ସେଟା ହଉଛି ହାଇ ଟ୍ରଷ୍ଟ ଆଉ ଯୋଉଟା ଟିକେ ଡ୍ୟାଶ ଡ୍ୟାଶ ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ଡ୍ୟାଶ ଅଛି ସେଟା ମଡରେଟ ଲେଭେଲ ଟ୍ରଷ୍ଟ ଆଉ ଯୋଉଟା ପୁରା ଛୋଟ 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 ଅଛି ସେଟା କନଫ୍ଲିକ୍ଟ ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରଷ୍ଟ
हां छोट छोट किछि अछि कि ना एटा
ଅଛି
भूल
ନା
रे देखा जाउछि मत देखा जाउनी मे भीतर अछि
ଅଛି मैम गोटे
ଅଛି
माइनस 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 ହେଇକି ଅଛି ଲାଷ୍ଟ କୁ ସେଟା ହଉଛି ମଡରେଟ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଡଟ 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 ହେଇକି ଅଛି ସେଟା ହଉଛି କନଫ୍ଲିକ୍ଟ
अच्छा ठीक अछि इधर इधर त सब एग्जांपल दै छी सेटा डिस्ट्रस्ट और कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हेति बताले है कि
यस मैम
सरला
Yes, ma'am.
okay so this is like a map you are doing so what will you do when you have to draw that into a table and write the values not values the findings have to be written in the tabular form sociogram what you did with the help of a drawing like a map you are doing this network sociometric matrix empty जो तुम कौन कर the data that you are going to get from your questions you are going to display that in the form of a table or matrix depending on their choices so such a table will be called a sociomatrix okay
ओके मैम
ठीक अछि
आज्ञा
So here one thing you have to remember is the members are required to choose only one person for each question. Each question by गोटे लोक के से choose करिवो because there will be one arrow only going to the chosen person. सेटा गोटे strict criteria. मते ये भी भल लागे इक्वली से भी भल लागे एथि पई सेमति करि परिबोनी
आज्ञा
Okay.
Ma'am, but in the sociogram, here two arrows are coming from a single person. One is for like moderate trust, and one is for high trust.
कोउटर अछि
Ma'am, this sociogram of question number 1, A point, from A point here two arrows are coming.
No, from A there is one going to B, right? A straight
Yeah, one
arrow.
is going to be, yeah,
Yes.
high trust. That is high trust. And one
Yes.
it is coming from A to E, and one here it's from A to D. Three points. No, 4 points actually are coming from me.
ये कहीं कितने बड़ा
One
है
is for
ए एंड सी
A and C.
ट्रस्ट
yes, ma'am.
A and C कोटा जाइछि बंकी जाइछि तो सेटा
कनफ्लिक्ट अछि इंडिकेट्स डिस्टर्ब
ना
कनफ्लिक्ट
कि सेटा तो नहीं गोटे पे जे
No,
कॉन्फ्लिक्ट लाइन
A and F mutual trust.
F ru C को जाइछि गोटे कॉन्फ्लिक्ट वाला लाइन that is very clear and very short so you can make out
हाँ, correct.
हाँ हाँ सेटा शो होउछ
F ru C
Yeah,
टा
ma'am,
जोटा
as you
From
said,
A to F also there, ma'am.
मैम F to C and E to C and one is D to C.
D to C.
Yes, ma'am.
D to C is also conflict, yes.
Yes, F to C also and E to C also.
Yes. So if somebody is not chosen at all,
Ma'am,
who is not chosen here? Who is in isolate here? Who is not chosen by anyone?
B is not chosen
Ma'am,
by
maximum case it's A to C also a conflict line, so C is not choosable.
D is not chosen by anyone.
chosen by A, but not other persons. Only A.
D chooses to B, but A also high moderate level of trust. But
ma'am, nobody trusts C.
C has got
Yeah,
a
nobody trusts C.
yes. C has got a line from yes. C is the isolate here,
Yeah.
right? C is the isolate. C रो किसी line नहीं. C को ऐसे भी किसी.
Ma'am, as you mentioned, only one line would be coming out of a single person.
One
but
person,
where
one
both-
answer only. One person they will choose. For question number 1 କହିଛି, so for each they are mentioning A ଲେଖିଛି, B ପାଇଁ ତାର କ'ଣ feeling, C ପାଇଁ କ'ଣ feeling, D ପାଇଁ କ'ଣ ଲେଖିଛି, ଯାହାକୁ ଜମା ଚୁଜ୍ କରିନି ସେଟା କିଏ?
Ma'am, cannot get your question. Actually, cannot understand Odia.
Oh, I am so sorry. Who is not being chosen by anyone? A is chosen. There is an arrow here for A.
A is chosen, F is chosen, F to E, but no one chooses to
D. Least chosen person is D.
This is the sociogram for the member A. That is why there is no arrow to leading to A. A is rating all of them. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's it.
Ma'am, but F is also rating, and E is also rating, D is also rating.
Will not go by the diagram then. मते तो लागुची सबु जाको यूज करूछ सारे एक जैसे दिख रहे हैं.
हाँ मैम, वो थोड़ा हॉच पॉच हो गया है यहाँ पे डायग्राम में.
If you go by what is written as the strict principle to choose, then A should not be having an arrow coming from C, isn't it? There should be no arrow mark actually pointing to A. So ये तो गलत हो गया.
मैडम.
Yes.
मैडम, म्यूचुअल फॉर द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 जो है नंबर 2 5 ये सब नतीजा और जिसमें नंबर तो मतलब उसमें इसका नंबर दिया है, नंबर का सिस्टम क्या है मैडम?
नंबर 1 का क्वेश्चन.
हाँ, ये मैं टोटल इसमें जो है म्यूचुअल फॉर द क्वेश्चन नंबर 121 पेज.
Question number 1 is who do you trust among the members of the group?
अच्छा, उसका नंबरिंग दिया गया है.
उसका है, पर we are assuming that this is for 4 example. क्वेश्चन का क्या फायदा? वो मतलब जो भी हाँ या ना या ट्रस्ट डिस्ट्रस्ट नहीं तो चूज करना 4 और 1 में क्या डिफरेंस है? बिकॉज दे आर चूजिंग एनीवे वन पर्सन ओनली, इजंट इट? जो भी चूज करे एक ही आदमी को चूज करना है ना. So I don't think that should be reflected in the depiction of the picture. But we'll assume, for example, A is you all. I mean, A सुजीत साहू भी है, A अनन्या भी है, सारा कुछ यहाँ पे लिखा है. सुभश्री सबका नाम जो है वो एक पे अगर डाल दो तो what will you do? You will draw arrows from your point that is A to other areas. So you won't be drawing any arrow from other sides of the choices that will lead to you. क्योंकि उनको तो पूछा नहीं है ये क्वेश्चंस. इसीलिए जो एक गलती से आ गया है arrow towards A, that is a wrong arrow, I think. What do you say?
यस मैम।
है ना, गलत हो गया है। ये तो एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर दे रहा है और उसी हिसाब से ये लगे हुए हैं एरोज। सो उसको कैसे कोई चूज कर सकता है? ठीक है, मुझे लग रहा है ये गलती से हो गया ये एरो। है ना?
यस मैम।
Go through the clarification that is given here. The sociometric matrix chart, a sociogram, star, mutuals, isolates and cliques will be different for each question. ऐसे अगर 6 क्वेश्चन है तो ऐसे 6 बनना चाहिए। उसमें एक आइसोलेट निकलेगा, जैसे इसमें आइसोलेट कौन निकला? स्टार कौन निकला? Who is the star here?
B.
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 B is the star. The one who is chosen by all. B is the star?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And
Yes, ma'am.
who are the two mutuals?
and C.
B and F.
B and F both.
ठीक है, B and F दोनों तरफ एरो मार्क रखा है, देखो।
Yes, ma'am. B and F.
वो रहे म्यूचुअल्स। आइसोलेट कौन है फिर?
एंड एफ का भी तो है ना म्यूचुअल वाला।
ये तो ए को कोई मतलब सेंस ए इज डूइंग दिस, एक अगर रहा सब के बारे में बोलने के लिए तो उस पे आना नहीं चाहिए। सो वो गलत है ए एंड एफ का, मुझे लग रहा है, पता नहीं।
मैम एफ जो अच्छी सी माने दीटा को म्यूचुअल डिसीजन देछि, से बी को भी लाइक करछि, से ई को भी लाइक करछि।
म्यूचुअल देछि जो सेथिरे केमती हबो? गोटे लोक तो गोटे थरो कहि परिबो जण को लाइक करछि कि
ना, से दी जण को चूज ना, से दी जण को चूज करछि, से हाई ट्रस्ट करछि बी को भी, हाई ट्रस्ट करछि ई को भी
ना। सेथिरे सब बळे पूरा एटा क्वेश्चन लिखा है छि जे यू कैन ओनली चूज वन पर्सन,
बट आरो मार्क तो से कहछि कि एफ ई को भी चूज करछि एंड एफ बी को भी चूज करछि।
एटा गंडगोल अछि नै?
आज्ञा मैम, नॉले यारो किछि अलगा गूगल देखिले जाना पड़िबो मे बी।
ना ना, एटा हमें तो एते निज ऊपर ट्रस्ट करबा आगु, कहीं कि बेसी कंफ्यूज हबा से भूल प्रिंट हेताई पारे नै? बिकॉज़ एज हां
मे बी रॉन्ग प्रिंट है,
एटा रॉन्ग प्रिंट है छि बोध लागु छि मते।
Ma'am, is sociometry the only tool to be used for social relatedness?
नो आरो इत्ते गुडा भी थाई पारे सोशियोमेट्री रो जोडा कल्चरल अडॉप्टेड थिबो और थिबो भी। जेमती वेस्लर अछि तुमरो और भी अछि इंटेलिजेंस टेस्ट अछि, मेंसा टेस्ट गोटे अछि इंटेलिजेंस पय भी जानछो तो।
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
सो एमती केते गुडा थिबो, एटा पय भी थिबो निश्चय। इंडियन एडेप्टेशन वाला भी थाई पारे। जेमती तुमरो पर्सनालिटी टेस्ट बहुत गुडा अलगा प्रकार भी अछि, डिपेंडिंग ऑन व्हाट यू आर ट्राइंग टू मेजर। सेमती एगुडा को भी निश्चय थिबो। Okay. ठीक अछि।
Ma'am, the sociogram is used in office settings or in like social settings for in.
It is normally used in an organization where they are trying to improvise on their workforce. जो थ्रे कम्युनिकेशन ताकर इंप्रूव करेबार अछि, और दे आर डूइंग ग्रुप एक्टिविटी जो थ्रे से माने ईच अदर को रेट करूचंती, so that the communication will improve in an organization.
Ma'am, do this organization have psychologists with them to conduct this test, or the
They
management
normally
takes care
are
of it?
supposed to, they're supposed to have a psychologist, in-house psychologist, to handle all the crisis period or all personal stress. If they have, they will be referred to the psychologist. I don't know if you have seen in the movies, there is a psychologist in the organizations also, who they will be referring to if they find anything. Somebody is very disturbed and is not performing well, then they are asked to visit the psychologist. Normally, it is mandatory to have a psychologist in any organization which deals with people, because when people are involved, there has to be mental health question. There will be issues with adjustment patterns. If there is adjustment problem in families, imagine the workplace. There will be also problems with the individuals. So to handle all that and to increase the workforce productivity, they have to go through certain training period also, which includes a psychological enhancement technique.
Ma'am, these psychologists, like they have a qualification of a PG in psychology, or they need to do a PhD as well?
Normally, PhD is better because, see, how much you will learn with a post graduation only. With specialization, if you have specialization with OBHR, then definitely you can join as a psychologist. But if you have no
OBHR
specialization,
means ma'am what?
organizational behavior and human resources.
मैम जो क्लिनिकल सेकेंड ईयर रे निया होची जो तीनटा अलगा अछि क्लिनिकल जे नेला कि काउंसलिंग नेला तो तापरे तारो माने से कोन
Normally,
अप्रोच
Olga
करियो
area is see. We work. What is will look at the vast area first. A bird's eye view will say psychology understands human behavior. Okay. Then, if we refer to the different parts of psychology which deals with the specific population, then clinical will deal with clinical population. Counseling will deal with the counseling of the different categories of people, starting from adults to starting from childhood to adults, or for normal people also counseling is required. How it is required? For normal like JEE तुमर हैला सेतरे counseling कहि के लोकन बसे दोचंती ना नहीं. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
But is that really counseling? No, that is just guiding them. So that is guidance rather than counseling. We can call it guidance because that guiding is really good for them.
ଏବେ ତ ଯୋଉ ନୂଆ ନର୍ମସ୍ ଏଜୁକେସନ ନର୍ମସ୍ ଅନୁସାରେ ଏମଫିଲ୍ ବି ନାହିଁ ତ
MPhil ବି ହେଲା.
ଜଣକୁ PhD ହିଁ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ପଡିବ.
PhD କରିବା ଆଗରୁ କ୍ରାଇଟେରିଆ ଅଛି, ନେଟ୍ କ୍ୱାଲିଫାଇ କରିବ ତାପରେ କରିବ.
ଜଣେ ଯଦି କ୍ଲିନିକ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହିଁବ ତ ସିଏ PhD କ୍ୱାଲିଫାଇ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ପଡିବ.
କ୍ଲିନିକ କରିବ ଯଦି ତୁମେ ତମର ଭ୍ୟାଲିଡିଟି ଅଛି କି ନାହିଁ କେମିତି ଜାଣିବ? So you have to be a member of an organization which gives you the certificate that you are a psychologist ready to practice.
RC, Rehabilitation of Counsel.
RCI is only for clinical cases or rehabilitation.
मैम ऑलरेडी माने मोर तो RCI लाइसेंस अछि काहेकि ना मु रिहैबिलिटेशन रे ही पढी छी तो सेटा मोर साइकोलॉजी पे काम करिवनी मैम
कहीं करिवनी करिवो सेटा ना.
अच्छा तो मैम मोर तो माने मु जेहेतु कि गोटे प्रोस्थेटिक्स एंड ऑर्थोटिक वाला स्टूडेंट थिली तो सेटा भी RCI लाइसेंस्ड मोर.
RCI licensed. Now you are doing specialization.
Okay मैम, okay.
You can do your own clinic or you can join any clinic as a psychologist.
Okay मैम. माने मोर एक्चुअली क्वेश्चन थिला कि ना या पे अलगा RCI लाइसेंस दरकार ता पे अलगा लाइसेंस सेटा क्वेश्चन.
All said and done, see, if you are very confident about your skills as a psychologist, you don't need any certification also.
Okay मैम, okay.
If you do
PG ପରେ ଜଣେ counseling କରିପାରିବନି?
PG ପଢିଲା ବେଳେ counseling କରିବ କେମିତି? ତମେ ତ କେତେଟା ଜିନିଷ ନିଜେ ବୁଝି ପାରିବନି ସେ କହିଲେ ଆଜିକାଲି ପିଲା
ଏବେ ତ ମାନେ ଅଲରେଡି କନସେପ୍ଟ କ୍ଲିୟର ନଥିବ ନା
ହବନି ସେମିତି. କାହିଁକି ହବନି? Because everybody has access to everything now these days. So they will look for their condition before they come to you. They must have gone through the symptoms and the available treatment, everything on the Google before they decide to come to you. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, actually.
The social taboo is there still. So they don't want to come directly running to you. they will be not very comfortable to go immediately the moment they feel something is wrong with them. They will go through Google. So there they will try to find out who is the best psychologist to treat me. Hmm. So all that will not be handled, because if they come to you and they will say, I think I have got bipolar. So you will be confused. Bipolar कौन कौन ये तो सुनते दोस्तों नहीं. So see body का seasonal affective disorder will look like bipolar also. Hmm. So it's not very easy to open a clinic while you are still studying. You can get associated with some clinic and learn, and then you can have your own clinic also.
Without any license, ma'am?
License is not required because ସେଇଟା ଉପରେ ବହୁତ debate ହେଇଛି. RCI ଖାଲି କ'ଣ ଜଣେ ଅଛି କି PhD କରୁଛ ଯଦି definitely that is a good license kind of thing. Okay. And
ओडिशारे तो माने एते भी किछि सुविधा नै ना मैम माने PhD ପାଇଁ जति कि
PhD काहे नहीं PhD କରି परिबा कोन समझते सेमती हेले जदी एते इजी थांता सब जदी
ना
एते
मैम एक्चुअली जो PhD जो शो करछि एठी जो उत्कल यूनिवर्सिटी रे सेटा को कॉलेज उत्कल यूनिवर्सिटी अंडर रे कॉलेज आछि कि ना
यूनिवर्सिटी रे ही करबो.
अच्छा ना आ गोटे अछि ना मैम IIT भुवनेश्वर रे तो सेटा
भुवनेश्वर कले आउरे भी भलो जदी तंकर सीट अछि यूनिवर्सिटी रे मे भी बेसी सीट नथिबो because they will give preference to direct PG who are doing post graduation after graduation honors रखिला परे psychology. So since you are doing this on IGNOU, so they may not select the IGNOU students because they will have plenty number of direct students. For example, I'm saying, I'm not discouraging you, I'm just telling you the possibility.
Okay.
So, but IGNOU students will be also better than normal students maybe, but who will know and how to know that unless there is a selection process?
Entrance UGC net.
Yes. Okay. So once you qualify, then you can go ahead with your proposal. And PhD is something which will talk about your efficiency as a psychologist. So that will add to your value. So you don't need any, written authority has to sign your or give you a license to practice. That you can do already. You have done doctorate, so you can do that practice. Okay.
Ma'am, can you suggest something about image that IGNOU students have in the field?
About, sorry, repeat again.
Ma'am, as IGNOU, it has a reputation, right? It is a distance education, so the psychologists or other students might not be good at the skills.
It's not about being good or bad. Because, for example, in our, this also we can take, for example, since psychology is a science subject we are claiming, okay?
It will be. It will be.
How about but what about the experiments you are supposed to do? How can you do it online?
Right.
Isn't it? So there has to be solid proof that you have gone through the course the way it is supposed to function. And if you are not able to explain, and maybe you will do the online course, everything, but if you can convince the examiner, then yes, you are equal to a normal student. A regular student who is doing the regular classes.
We can, ma'am, for our internship program, we can enroll ourselves in any organization, ma'am, to get any experience from that.
Yes. That you can do. It all depends on knowledge. Knowledge is something that no one can deny and look down upon you. Isn't it?
Actually, yes.
So even, for example, you may get a big certificate from Utkal or from Delhi University also, or from JNU. But if you are facing an interview and you are not able to answer the questions, then it is not going to do any good to you. But at the same time, if you are going with IGNOU certificate and you have everything on your fingertips, you can answer all the questions, then the preference will be given to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so don't worry about the certificate so much. You rely on your knowledge and try to know everything, really understand everything on your own. I mean, since this is an online, distance course, that doesn't mean that you will distance yourself from the course also. Distance model korucha, but you make your base of knowledge very strong. Okay.
Ma'am, one more question, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you give some suggestions on the readings that we need to do for psychotherapy and like therapies basically in psychology? Can you give some suggestion on the book?
Can you repeat again? I am not able to hear.
Okay, ma'am, am I audible now?
Yes. Now see.
Yeah, ma'am, can you give some suggestions on the readings that we can do apart from our course
Okay.
on like therapies and all, therapies and testing? Because we have limited number of testings and concepts in our course.
Okay. I'll send you the material. I've got books in PDF form.
Yeah, ma'am, that will be great.
Yes, I'll
That
do
will
that.
really help.
Yes,
Thank
I'll
you
do
so
that.
much, ma'am.
I have got PDF files of all these books. Not all these books, but the major ones. Like you have studied Byron. There are some basic books actually. For general psychology, you refer to Byron. For social psychology, also you can refer to Byron. So, I mean,
Send that PDF, ma'am. We can
send you the
go
PDFs.
through that.
Yes. So, and for psychological DSM-5, have you heard about the name DSM-5?
No, ma'am.
Okay. We
Yes,
are
ma'am.
talking DSM-5. What is that? Diagnostic Statistical Manual. So this is,
Manual, right?
yes, this gets renewed every, after the last renewal was done in the year 2013. So that is how DSM-5 version is applicable these days for studying and for referring to the classification of diseases. There is also WHO's ICD, International Classification of Diseases. So ICD is normally used by the psychiatrists, and for psychologists we are using DSM. So all these are for clinical cases. To handle clinical cases. So if you don't know about these books or these different ways of classifying the disease, there are hundreds of classifications for diseases. I mean, how many types of depression, how many types of anxiety, or how can you zero in on one condition on the basis of what you are saying that somebody is mentally ill. All that has to be, known by you. Otherwise, you cannot really diagnose somebody on the basis of very little knowledge that you are gaining by learning small books, isn't it? Right.
Yes, ma'am.
So you try to read more and more. If you find this interesting, then you must read more about the subjects and gather all the information. If you have Google, also you can download many books these days. There is a drive which can be accessed actually. So you have to fall in love with the subject so that you can know everything that it says. Necessary suggestion or necessary readings. Byron is the book name. I would suggest actually for general psychology, you refer to Byron's book. This is a very basic book. You can get it in any bookstore. A.K. Mishra will have it, I'm sure. Okay.
Ma'am, any therapies?
For therapy, you don't say therapy. For techniques of counseling, there are books. There will be no book on therapy, but when you refer to techniques of counseling, they will have cognitive behavior therapy, then individualistic therapy, humanistic approach. There are different approaches to therapy. So there will be psychoanalytic approach, humanistic approach. Different approaches will have different theories. Okay. For that, I will give you that book. I have that book. This is a very good book. These are very expensive when you buy. So I'll send you the PDF. But Byron is a must-have book. Very basic. It will cost you around 500-600, I think. Not very expensive also, and good. There is also Morgan and King, Ciccarelli. Many books are there, but I would say more instead of that, either go for Morgan and King. Just go for Barron, social psychology by Barron and general psychology by Barron. Right? You first buy these two, then I will tell you the other book names also. Once you are mastering these two, then you can go for problems. This is how to understand human beings. Then you go to the clinical basis of behavior, how to understand those who are not normal people. First, understand normal people by reading these two books. Okay?
Sure, ma'am.
Clear? We have one more class tomorrow. We'll finish the course. Don't worry. There's not much left. Okay?
Okay.
Any other question or anything that you want to discuss?
Ma'am, ମତେ ଗୋଟେ ହେଲ୍ପ ଦରକାର ଥିଲା। ମୁଁ ଯୋଉଠି ଜବ୍ କରୁଛି IIRS ରେ ସେଠିକି ଗୋଟେ ଛୁଆ ଆସୁଛି ଯାହାକୁ 18 ବର୍ଷ। 18 ବର୍ଷର ଛୁଆଟା ତାର କେବଳ କହିବାର ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଅଛି ବୋଲି କହିକି ତାକୁ ସ୍ପିଚ୍ ଥେରାପି ଆଣୁଛନ୍ତି, କିନ୍ତୁ ସିଏ ତା ମମି ଉପରେ ସଦାବେଳେ ଡିପେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ରହୁଛି କହିବା ପାଇଁ। ତାକୁ ଯାହାବି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ପଚରା ହବ ସେ ଡିପେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ରହିବ, ତା ମମି ଆନ୍ସର ଦେଲା ପରେ ସେ ଦବ। 18 ବର୍ଷର ପୁଅଟା, ସେ 2 ଭାଇ ଭଉଣୀ ଥିଲେ, ତାଙ୍କର ଭଉଣୀର ବି ସେମ୍ ସ୍ପିଚ୍ ର ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଥିଲା। ସେ ଥେରାପି ନେଲା ପରେ ସେ ନର୍ମାଲ ହେଇଯାଇଛି, କିନ୍ତୁ ଏ ପିଲାଟା ନର୍ମାଲ ହେଇପାରି ନାହିଁ।
ଆଚ୍ଛା, କିନ୍ତୁ କଥା କହିପାରୁଛି ନା ନାହିଁ?
କଥା କହିପାରୁନି ବୋଲି ସ୍ପିଚ୍ ଥେରାପି ନବାକୁ ଆସୁଛି।
ନା ଘରେ କେମିତି ଇଣ୍ଟରାକ୍ଟ କରୁଛି? ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଞ୍ଜର୍ସ ମାନଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ତାର ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହଉଛି ନା ଘରେ ବି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହଉଛି?
ଘରେ ବି ଆଉ ଡିପେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ମଦର ଉପରେ ସଦାବେଳେ, ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ମେମ୍ବରଙ୍କ ଉପରେ ସଦାବେଳେ ଡିପେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ରହୁଛି। ବଟ୍
ଡମିନେଟିଂ କି?
ନା ନା ନା, ସେମାନେ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ଆକୁ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି କରିବା ପାଇଁ, କିନ୍ତୁ ଇଏ ହେଇପାରୁନି, ନର୍ମାଲ ପିଲାଙ୍କ ସହିତ ମିଶି ପାରୁନି। ଯେହେତୁ ସେମାନେ 2 ଜଣ ଜୁଡବା ଥିଲେ, ତ ଭଉଣୀଟା ନର୍ମାଲ ହେଇଗଲା, କିନ୍ତୁ ଇଏ ହେଇପାରୁନି। କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ପିଲାଟି ସବୁ ସ୍ପେଲିଂ ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟ ଟୁ ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟ ସ୍ପେଲିଂ ପଢି ପାରୁଛି, ଆଉ ବହୁତ ସ୍ପିଡଲି କହିଦେଇ ଯାଉଛି, କିନ୍ତୁ ଲୋକଙ୍କ ସହିତ ମିଶି ପାରୁନି।
ଓ ମାନେ କଥା କହିପାରୁନି ବୋଲି ମିଶି ପାରୁନି, ନା ମିଶି ପାରୁନି ବୋଲି କଥା କହିବନି?
ସେ ମିଶିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁନି ପିଲା ଲୋକଙ୍କ ସହିତ, ଆଉ କଥା ବହୁତ ସ୍ପିଡ କହିଦଉଛି। ଯଦି ସେ କହିବ ଇଣ୍ଟରନ୍ୟାସନାଲ, ସେଟା ବହୁତ ସ୍ପିଡ କହିଦବ, ଆଉ ସେଇ ଇଣ୍ଟରନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ତା ମା ତାକୁ କହିଲେ ହିଁ ସେ କହିବ। ସେ ପଢି ପାରୁଛି, ଆଉ ଯଦି ତାକୁ ମୁଁ ପଢିବାକୁ ଆଜି କହିଲି, ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଆଜି ପଢିବାକୁ କହିଲି, ସେ ମୋ ନାଁ ପଢି ପାଇଲା, ସ୍ପିଡରେ ପଢି ଦେଇକି ରଖିଦେଲା। ମୋ ଆଇ କାର୍ଡ
ବୁଝି ପାରୁଛି ନା ନାହିଁ?
ବୁଝି ହଉଛି, ବୁଝି ହଉଛି। ମୋ ନାଁ ଯଶସ୍ୱୀ, ସେ ମୋ ଆଇ କାର୍ଡ ରୁ ପଢି ପାଇଲା ମୋ ନାଁ ଯଶସ୍ୱୀ ବୋଲି, ବଟ୍ ସେ ସ୍ପିଡ କହିଗଲା। ଆଉ ଯଦି ତାକୁ ପଚାରିବି ମୁଁ, ତୁ ଆଜି କଣ ଖାଇଛୁ, ସେ ତା ମା ମୁହଁକୁ ଅନଉଛି, ତା ମା ରିପ୍ଲାଏ ଦେଲେ ହିଁ ସେ ରିପ୍ଲାଏ ଦଉଛି।
ତା ମା କାହିଁକି ରିପ୍ଲାଏ ଦଉଛି? ତା ମାକୁ ଡିପେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ, କିନ୍ତୁ ୟୁ ହାଭ୍ ଟୁ କଟ୍ ଦିସ୍। ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ନନ୍ ସର୍ଭିଂ, ଏଇଟା ସଲ୍ଭ କରୁନି କିଛି ପର୍ପସ୍। ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମାର ଆବସେନ୍ସରେ ତାକୁ ଥେରାପି ଦଉନ? ସବୁ ଥେରାପି ସେସନରେ କଣ ମା ବସି ରହୁଛି?
ହଁ, ମା ବସି ରହୁଛି ମ୍ୟାମ୍। ଯେହେତୁ ଏଟା ଅଡିଓଲୋଜି ଆଉ ସ୍ପିଚ୍ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ ପାଥୋଲୋଜିର, ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ରେକମେଣ୍ଡ କଲି ଯେ ଆମର ସାଇକୋଲୋଜିଷ୍ଟଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ ଯିବାକୁ, କିନ୍ତୁ ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ମୋର ଟିକେ, ଯେହେତୁ ମୁଁ ଗ୍ୟାପ୍ ନେଇଯାଇଥିଲି ସାଇକୋଲୋଜିଠୁ, ତ ମତେ ଟିକେ ନଲେଜ ନାହିଁ। ଆପଣ ଟିକେ ଯଦି ହେଲ୍ପ କରନ୍ତେ, ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ ରେକମେଣ୍ଡ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତି।
ଏମିତି ଶୁଣିକି ଯଦି ତମେ ମାନେ କହିହବନି, କିନ୍ତୁ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ଡାଇନାମିକ୍ସ ତାର ଦେଖିବାକୁ ପଡିବ। ଘରେ କିଛି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଥିଲା କି, କେବେଠୁ ସିଏ ବନ୍ଦ କଲା କଥା କହିବା, ନା ପିଲାଦିନେ ଜମାରୁ କହିପାରୁନଥିଲା, ତାର ମାଇଲ ଷ୍ଟୋନ ଗୁଡା ଲେଟ୍ ହେଇଥିଲା, ସେଗୁଡା ବି ଅଛି ନା?
ସେଇଟା ଜଣେ ସାଇକ୍ରାଟିକ ହିଁ ଯୋଉ ସାଇକୋଲୋଜିଷ୍ଟ ହିଁ କହିପାରିବେ। ତ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱରରେ କିଏ କିଏ ସାଇକୋଲୋଜିଷ୍ଟ ଅଛନ୍ତି, ମତେ ଟିକେ ନଲେଜ କମ ଅଛି ମ୍ୟାମ୍।
ଓ ଆଚ୍ଛା, ଏବେ ତ ମୁଁ ବି ଆସିଛି ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱରରେ, ବଟ୍ ମୋର ସେଣ୍ଟର କରିଛି ଏଠି। ମୋର 2ଟା ସେଣ୍ଟର, କାଉନସିଲିଂ ସେଣ୍ଟର। ଗୋଟେ ଏଇଠି ନିବେଦନ ଅଛି, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଫିଲ୍ ଗୁଡ୍ ସେଣ୍ଟର କଟକରେ। କଟକର ସେଣ୍ଟରରେ ବହୁତ।
ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱରରେ
ମ୍ୟାମ୍, ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନମ୍ବରକୁ ରେକମେଣ୍ଡ, ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନମ୍ବର ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇଦେବି କି, ସେ କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ କରିକି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଯିବେ?
ସିଏ ଆସନ୍ତୁ ମୋର ସେଣ୍ଟରକୁ, ତ ପ୍ରତାପ ସର ବି ଆସନ୍ତି, ପ୍ରତାପ ରଥ ସର ଅଛନ୍ତି, ସିଏ ବି ଆସନ୍ତି।
ଯୋଉ ନମ୍ବର ଆପଣ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି, ସେଇ ନମ୍ବର ଦେଇଦେବି?
ହଁ, ଠିକ, ଦେଇଦିଅ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା, ସେଇ କଥାଟା ପଚାରୁଥିଲି।
ଆପଣଙ୍କର କୋଉଠି ଅଛି ସେଣ୍ଟର? ସେଇଠି ମାନେ ମୋ ଭାଇ ଗୋଟେ ଲୟର ଅଛି, ମାନେ ତାର କିଛି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଅଛି, ତ କାଉନ୍ସିଲିଂ ପାଇଁ
ମୁଁ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱରରେ ମୋର ଟ୍ରିଟମେଣ୍ଟ ପାଇଁ ଆସିଛି। but I couldn't neglect my clients जो मैंने कटक रे आसुଥିଲେ so भुवनेश्वर बाध्य है कि एठी करिली सेंटर so भाई को भी सही नंबर दे दो they can come so
आज्ञा
एठी
आज्ञा श्योर श्योर मैम
treatment is also going on so Pratap Ratha sir भी आसुचंती एठी to give me time also से ऐसे कि बाकी केस गुड़ा हैंडल करंती so it is given by the therapy is given by experts only if I am not able to handle because of my illness so सेटा not a problem they परिबो reference निजे भी जो हैंडल करूचो never think that the other person who is giving therapy is always correct तमे निजर भरोसा रख निज ऊपर and try to manage all your cases very knowledgeably जदि कोठ तुमरा डाउट होची मु भलो कली कि नाही बोली again go back to the book and refer to the different cases that they have done research on सब जिंस ऊपर रिसर्च हेची साइकोलॉजी ता एमती गोटे सब्जेक्ट जो सब जिंस ऊपर रिसर्च हेची सो सेटा पढी कि भी तुम करि परिबो
ओके मैम
you can
Okay,
give
ma'am.
also okay
Yes, ma'am.
okay that's all for today
Thank you, ma'am.
थैंक
okay bye
Thank you.
Thank you.